Good morning, young fella. So this took a little longer than I thought, but our crane did the job. It's got to be 400-500 pounds, I guess. It's an old wood stove sitting down the back here, but it was put here by an excavator, so, which took a couple of minutes. This only took a couple of hours. So just dragging her in. And that'll do. All right. That's good enough. That thing's so heavy I had to put boards under there because it was it was indenting into that. So it helped me turn it around because we're on a little bit of a slope. I tried pushing on the end there, but then ended up using that. That works really well. So, okay, that's it.